This fall, Tennessee State University presents an exciting opportunity to explore the world of artificial intelligence with a comprehensive AI course, open to a diverse range of learners. Whether you're an undergraduate, graduate student, university staff member, alumni, or a community participant, this course is designed to meet your unique educational needs. Classes will be held virtually on Friday evenings from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, starting August 29th. With flexible options for 1 or 3 credit hours, participants can tailor their experience based on their academic or professional requirements. The curriculum covers foundational AI concepts, hands-on applications, and ethical considerations, empowering learners to effectively utilize AI tools for teaching, research, business, and more. No prior technology skills are necessary, making the course accessible to everyone. Senior citizens aged 65 and older can enroll for just $70, reflecting TSU's commitment to lifelong learning and inclusivity in the age of AI. Enroll today, and don't miss this opportunity for advancement.